Do you want to learn the secret to making everyone attracted to you? Having good charisma is the key that helps you unlock your full potential. It opens gates of attraction and charm. It is easy to build, and you can do it too. Charisma can be attained easily by understanding the psychology behind it. Once you master these psychological tricks, you can drastically increase your attractiveness. Personal charisma is a culmination of social and emotional skills. After attaining these skills, you will be set apart from others. It makes you more memorable. You can think of charm as a combination of many psychological traits. By the end of this video, you will become radioactive with attraction and charm. None shall be able to resist you. Number 11. Push and pull method. Try being unpredictable for a minute. Use the combination of teasing and complimenting. It makes the conversation much more fun. It makes your personality unpredictable. Teasing will make her laugh, and it will build attraction at the same time. Pair this technique with compliments. The compliments will make her more comfortable around you. It will make her feel amazing. This behavior shows that you do not dislike them. There is a specific way to compliment. Whenever you compliment someone, don't ask for something in return. Keeping this idea in your head will create a friendly vibe, because it shows that what you think is true. So never expect anything in return for what you say. Try to compliment other people. Make it a daily habit and practice it. Once you have mastered it, you will radiate attraction. Number 10. Have high standards. Always have high standards. Don't date people just for their appearance. Try searching for something profound in that person. Because if you start dating someone just because they're attractive, it will make you unattractive. So make sure that you search for qualities that make the person exciting. Sooner or later, you will grow bored with their physical appearance. But if they have unique personalities, you will find them attractive forever. Have greater ambitions in your life. Make those goals and ambitions your priority. When you find things that you are passionate about, it will kill the desperation within you. It will kill your need to date anyone. It will make you more attractive. Therefore, more people will want to date you. Number 9. Radiate positivity. You must radiate positivity in every situation, especially if you are nervous. Radiating positivity when you are nervous will make you look desirable. You should eliminate the need to hide the fact that you are nervous. You can say that you are anxious with a big smile. Having positive energy while being nervous makes you look confident. It also makes you look more genuine. You must be able to maintain an upbeat, positive attitude. Whether you are nervous or scared, doing it will yield great results. You should not draw into yourself. No matter how embarrassed you are, it will make others uncomfortable. It will make you look very unattractive. Try reacting with positive body language, even when you are embarrassed. You will notice the people around you starting to have fun. Number 8. Accept the awkwardness. Don't ignore the awkwardness. Because if you do, it will make things worse. Instead, you must call out the awkwardness. It is a weird psychological trick that you can play on yourself. If you call out the awkwardness, you can move past it. Not acknowledging the discomfort will only make it grow. If you call it out, it will make you look confident. The way you react to an embarrassing situation counts, because it tells what other people should think about that moment. For example, if you fall, you must be able to laugh. Others might look mortified. That look of defeat is unattractive. If you look defeated, it will make people think it was terrible. But if you are confident about it, people will have fun. Number 7. Pass the spotlight. You should never look weak in your speech and say whatever you mean to communicate confidently. However, if you find yourself rambling, pass the conversational spotlight. Don't keep on spouting nonsense. It will make you look dumb. Instead, pass the stick to someone else. Make sure that you are not the only one speaking. If you speak more, there is a greater chance that you will make a mistake. It also gives other people an opportunity to speak up. It shows that you are willing to share the spotlight. You are someone who listens to other people and their stories. This quality makes you very attractive and charming. The best way to do this is by asking the same question to the person who invited you. Number 6. Goals and mindset. You should have a greater purpose in life than being attractive. You must have something that you care deeply about. You should have different priorities beyond dating. Be vocal about your higher purpose, whether it's your hobby or career. You deeply care about it, and psychologically, you can speak about it confidently. When you speak with conviction, it makes you look masculine. It is desirable for all women. Learn to take things on a lighter note. Approach women with a carefree mindset. If it doesn't go well, you can move on. This mindset will kill the nervousness that is present within you. It's a great way to make women obsess over you as an introvert. Number 5. Embrace challenges. Make embracing challenges a part of your personality. Instead of sulking over your failures, you must learn from them. Look at these challenges as opportunities. Take these opportunities and grow yourself into a stronger person. Don't let these setbacks discourage you. The ability to get back up from your failures gives you true courage. It is easily one of the most outstanding masculine qualities. It will make you tremendously attractive and charming. It will make you stronger and more resilient in challenging situations. And it truly makes you more charismatic. You can attract and charm everyone by showing that nothing will make you give up. Women want you to be strong and resilient. The best way to do that is by looking for opportunities. Opportunities that present you with challenges will make you tough. Number 4. Prioritize self-care. Health is defined as complete physical, emotional, and mental well-being. You must prioritize your health, no matter what happens. You will not attract anyone if you are not healthy in your physical body. No one likes a guy who is morbidly obese. It shows that he does not practice self-care. To practice self-care, you must have good control over your impulses. So have a good exercise routine. Number 3. Improve your communication skills. Communication skills are the key to unlocking attractiveness. You can attract anyone if you are very good at communication. Communication plays a crucial role in every aspect of your life. For example, if you want to compliment a girl, you need excellent communication skills. Otherwise, your compliments will not be impactful. They will not hold any value, hence making you unattractive. Lack of communication skills will also make you passive. You won't be able to assert your opinions and suggestions, thus making you look fragile. The absence of good communication skills will become a hindrance to your attractiveness. You will lose your assertiveness, which is a crucial quality for attractive women. So always speak in concise sentences. Practice clarity on your own, and you're good to go. Number 2. Show authenticity. Accept your quirks. These quirks in your personality make you unique. Whatever makes you unique must be embraced. Those who hide their authenticity look very fake. They also feel fake, which makes them unattractive. Keep in mind that there is nothing sexier than a man who is himself. Women like genuine people. Don't be someone who hides his true self. You should let it out in the open in a carefree manner. If you let go of the need for approval, it will make you confident. It will erase all of your nervousness. You will be able to inspire others instead of being inspired by them. That is mainly what makes you attractive. So learn to be confident in your genuine self. Number 1. Show social control. Social role-playing or social control is a vital piece of the charm puzzle. Having a high level of social control is very beneficial. It allows you to have comfort in any social situation. It enables you to become a part of the group almost instantly. Social control means taking control of any social interaction. For example, if you are sitting at a table with your friends, social control means having the ability to take control of the entire conversation happening at that table. When you combine this psychological trait with other qualities, it gives you something unique. It is what all great leaders have in their personalities. Being personally charismatic means juggling all of these abilities. You must channel your strong emotions through the tunnel of charm. Don't be the guy who shouts and screams when he is angry. You should be able to convey your feelings calmly and stoically. Conclusion. Being attractive is not about how well you dress. It is about how you react to certain situations. It is how you behave that makes you beautiful. Learn humility in its true sense. Learn to take control in every situation. Keep your emotions in check, and don't copy others. Embrace your authenticity and the challenges that come with it. Even if none of these things work, don't feel discouraged. Life is all about hardships. You must keep going, never giving up. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.